This is an overview of all the lab equipment you'll be using throughout this whole entire year. Handle all equipment with care, especially this burette because it's expensive.
Okay, Richard, I'll make sure I don't break any of them.
This is a graduated cylinder. It is used to accurately measure volumes. As you can see, it's very long and delicate. When measuring for volume, you want to make sure you're reading the meniscus, not just the top of the water. As you can see, this graduated cylinder is measuring about 43 milliliters of water. This is the Erlenmeyer flask. It is used to hold solutions and heat it, but it's not accurate. This is a beaker. It serves the same purpose as the Erlenmeyer flask and is also inaccurate. It should not be used. This is a crucible. It is used for the heating and weighing of solids. This is a pipette. It is used to transfer solutions. This is a thermometer. It is used to measure temperatures, but it's also very fragile. It contains mercury, a very toxic chemical. If you break it, you have to contact a near adult. Although this bottle is labeled isopropanol, it is actually used as a container for distilled water. This is a stirring rod. It is used for stirring solutions. Make sure it's clean before using. This is a hot plate. It's very useful for heating containers of flat surface such as beakers or flasks. Using the dial you can adjust the temperature, but be careful when handling. You can burn yourself like that man. You always want to grab the container from the bottom. This is a digital scale. It is used for measuring the mass of objects. Before measuring, you want to make sure that the measurement reads 0 by tearing it or resetting it. This is a Bunsen burner. Utilizing gas, it is very effective in creating flames. It is useful for tests such as the flame test to identify cations from their distinct colors. This is Michael Tran, and he'll be teaching you how to prepare a Bunsen burner.
Let me find it. It's right here.
After locating the Bunsen burner, you want to secure the mouth of the tube to the gas valve. Make sure that it is properly secured.
Where's my lighter?
After you've ensured that it is secured, you can begin to leak gas by turning the knob counterclockwise. Once the gas begins leaking, you can begin to light it.
Look at it this
If
time.
you cannot light it, you should turn off the gas valve. If you do succeed in making a flame, you can adjust its intensity by turning the dial at the bottom of the Bunsen burner. Fire!
Now we're going to talk about the importance of safety wear.
The student you're about to see is wearing a black dress.
However, Richard, this is actually a chemical spill apron and is important for lab safety.
As you can see, these two students, student on the left is seen wearing safety glasses, while student on the right is seen wearing none. When entering the lab station, make sure you wear all safety precautions to protect yourself from permanent damage. The student on the left has adequate eye protection, while the student on the right is prone to eye damage.
The school would never allow us to use dangerous chemicals. Hey Richard!
What the Take this.
If this ever happens to you, go to an eye wash station.
It's okay.
Now we're going to discuss about what to do when you spill an acid.
If you accidentally spill an acid solution, you should immediately treat the spill with baking soda. Add enough baking soda until bubbling ceases. If it persists, continue to add more baking soda.
If you happen to break any glass object in the lab, remember to bring it to the broken glass container. All waste and unknown solution should be dumped in these waste beakers.
Be safe, comrade.